What's up everybody? So today I'm really excited to do this unboxing. I've been actually waiting for this watch for a while. If you're thinking what it is the brand new Bruce Wayne. So this is the first one in Dubai to come in. This is more than a month. It's been a month and like a couple of days since the announcement at Watches and Wonders that Rolex released this new collection. Even though we all anticipated it would be a Coke, I've never gotten so many messages, people asking and inquiring about this watch. It's honestly, what a beautiful piece. This is my first time touching it, opening it. I honestly just got it in and I'm like, I gotta film this right away. So here we are. I'm gonna be doing two videos. So this video, I'm gonna just be unboxing, talking about the Bruce Wayne. The second video will be comparing the Bruce Wayne with the classic black. I do have one here, actually brand new with me in stock. So I'll be talking about that, comparing them both, but that will be in for another video. So let's take a look at this beautiful new GMT, the Bruce Wayne. Some people call it the Dark Knight, Gotham City. I'm calling it Bruce Wayne. So the first thing off the bat, obviously the main difference here, we have black and gray two-tone bezel. Let me get this as close as possible so you guys can see it. So beautiful. What's crazy is that the gray makes the black not as black. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. This watch is honestly, it's gorgeous. The number one thing I would have to say is with the gray, why I find it's different and it's a game changer is because it kind of like goes in smoothly with the stainless steel. It gives it a nice transition. The gray with the stainless steel, and again, it's giving the black not a full black look. I will do the comparison after, but you can see this is more black versus here. You could think maybe it's the Jubilee, maybe it's the gray. I think it's the gray personally. So it gives it a whole different look. So it's honestly, it's really beautiful. In this video, I'm not gonna show you how to use the GMT and all that. I've already done that many times, so you can check out other videos, how the GMT functionality work. But in terms of the bezel, yes, it goes two ways. How you set the time, the hand and the time hand. So obviously this one, you have the green hand moving. Then if I wanna set the other time, it's like that. Again, I'm not gonna explain how this works, but I'm just showing you how it looks when it moves. So here we have a Jubilee bracelet, full stainless steel, beautiful, beautiful watch. Has a closed clasp, we're gonna open it. Again, similar to all the Pepsis, the back grill, Jubilee bracelet, GMTs, it's the same, beautiful. Closed back case, and it's honestly just a gorgeous watch. So here we have the trio. So this one is a discontinued model. This one's actually 2013, this is 2024. And this is the last Pepsi MK3. So obviously when we put the black light over this, the first thing I want to show is that how the bezel changes the color on the Pepsi, it turns red. Here, nothing happens, obviously black on black. Here the gray, the black, nothing happens, and everything. So just wanted to do that first and show you guys the difference. Again, they're all 40 millimeters Jubilee Oyster. A question I get asked a lot with the GMT hand. So it's green like the old one. So this is also still green. And here, obviously, it's red. So the question in hand is, will the Bruce Wayne be the new king of the GMTs? So we saw when the Sprite came out, there's a lot of hype on it. And then pretty much the Sprite right now is still above the back grill. So you have the Pepsi, price-wise, being the most expensive. Then you have I'm talking about Sprite Jubilee. Then you have the back grill. Now that the Bruce Wayne, obviously this is selling more than the Pepsi. A lot of people ask me, do you think this is gonna stay up as high or will it come down and the Pepsi will still be king? I think with the Bruce Wayne, the amount of hype, the demand, honestly, how it looks, like it's extremely, such a sexy watch. I think we do have a new king for GMT, and it is the Bruce Wayne. Again, I'm just saying this just because of the demand. For me, personally, I still love the Pepsi more. I just love the red, the blue, the black. It's colorful, I just love it. Until today, I get the most compliments for this watch. Believe it or not, more than the Panda actually. So will the new 2024 GMT Bruce Wayne be the new king of the GMTs? Or will Pepsi still hold its reign? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you guys are looking for any watches, reach out to me on social media, Big Mo Watches, my website, bigmowatches.com. And it's always my pleasure to help you guys. Check out also my next video. I'm gonna be comparing the both more in detail, the GMT Jubilee, new one versus the old classic.